Hi guys, welcome to ExamPad. In today's class, we are going to solve this tricky square root problem and also learn how to handle these types of problem. Let's start with the solution. So, we need to make an important note to solve this problem, that is x root x. X root x, it's common in each and every term. So, we need to know the equivalent for x root x. So, this can also be written as shift this root commonly and this x becomes x square into x. So it's the important steps. The both are equal. So let's clarify this. Okay, so just take this root of x square into x. This root can also be written as 1 by 2, right? So therefore which is equal to x square into x the whole power 1 by 2. So this can also be written as x square the whole power 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2. This both in multiple state, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Therefore, here x is there into x 1 by 2. So, x 1 by 2 can also be written as what? X root x. So, we get it right. So, therefore, x root x can also be written as x square into x is the important rule. Just apply this trick throughout this problem to solve this. So, just we are squaring this digit and take this root common. Okay, this is what we are going to do here. So just apply this here. First see here x root x. So just apply that here. So I am going to shift this root commonly. Okay. So therefore here root. So I am going to shift this root commonly. Therefore this will come. Here is the another root. So I am going to put that as the another root. And x root x can also be written as what? X square into x. So just write that. X square into x. So we are going to replace this for x and root x. So remaining is inside that we have root x and root x. So just write that. Root x. Okay. Divided by root x. So therefore which is equal to root x square into x power 1. The base is same. The power get added if it is in multiplication. So if I add these two, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, x cube root x divided by root x. Okay. So now next step is we need to shift this root commonly. For that what we have to do? We need to square this and write inside the root. So therefore which is equal to here 2 root is there. Now I am going to shift this root commonly. Okay. This gets squared into this x into this root x divided by root x. Okay. Now which is equal to root 3 in x cube. The whole square can also be written as this both get multiple. 3 into 2 6. X power 6 into x into root x divided by root x. Okay, now you get clear. Here base is same, the power get added if it is in multiplication. So the power get added means 6 plus 1 7. So just write that here. 3 root 1 2 3 root x power 6 into x can be written as x power 7. So the remaining is root x divided by root x. So now I need to shift this root commonly. So for that already 3 roots exist. So just I write that. So now I am going to create the fourth root for this. Okay. Now this gets squared into this x divided by root x. So this both get multiple. 7 into 2 14. So therefore here 4 root exists. So I am going to write the 4 root here. X power 7 2s are 14 into x divided by root x. Okay. Which is equal to 4 roots exist. X power 1 is here. Base is same. The power get added in multiplication. So 14 plus 1 is 15. X power 15 divided by root x. So we know that root x can also be written as x power 1 by 2. So just apply that here. So this can also be written as here x power 15. For this root 1 by 2. For another root 1 by 2. For another root 1 by 2. For another root 1 by 2. Okay. If the x to the power, the whole power to the power, whole power means we can able to multiple everything. Okay. If this in whole power, the bracket is important. Okay. So then this can also be written as x power 15 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So here divided by root x is there. So put this root x here also. So the root x can also be written as what? X power 1 by 2, right? So x power 1 by 2. So now this can also be written as g is equal to 15 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Therefore, x power 15 divided by 16. This x in denominator, if I want to shift this x towards numerator, its sign gets changed as minus 1 by 2. So therefore into x power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then which is equal to, the base is same, the power get added, right? Therefore this becomes x power 15 minus 15 by 16 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So if I take LCM, I need to multiple 8 with 8 on numerator as well as denominator. Therefore which is equal to x to the power of 15 minus 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 16. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Therefore which is equal to, there is no space here, so I am going to write this here. Therefore the answer for this question is, so the answer is, here what is there? X power 15 minus 8 is 7 by this 16. So x power 7 by 16. So this is what the final answer for this complicated question. So therefore practice twice and thrice each and every step clearly. Don't forget any root or any square and also the denominator. Then you will get a perfect answer. So the answer for this question is what? X power 7 by 16. That's it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.